weight just flew off, fat was just gone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla Renee. If you're new here, nice to meet you. I freaking love you. Today we're going to be talking about how you are going to achieve your dream body in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. It's all about you. It's your year and it's finally time to make it happen. I know the idea of reaching your fitness goals can feel overwhelming, especially if you've tried and failed before, but I'm here to tell you that 2025 is going to be different. Why? Because I'm here to share a step-by-step plan to help you not only lose weight, tone up or build muscle, but also stay consistent and stay empowered through the entire process. So grab a cup of tea, a coffee, a notebook, just chill, relax. This is going to change the game for you. So let's dive in. Step 1, you're going to set clear and realistic goals. First things first, you need to identify what your dream body means to you. Is it about losing 10 pounds, building muscle, having more energy to keep up with your kids? Whatever it is, you need to be specific. So you're going to want to really just write down your goals and make them realistic. Saying, I want to lose 50 pounds in a month is only setting yourself up for disappointment. Instead, break it down into smaller, achievable goals like, I want to lose 5 pounds this month by working out 3 times a week and eating balanced meals. Sounds pretty realistic. And remember, your dream body isn't about perfection. It's about progress and feeling your best. Step 2, you're gonna create a sustainable workout routine. So let's talk workouts. You don't need to spend hours every day in the gym just to see results. Instead, you're gonna focus on consistency. You're gonna be consistent. Find workouts that actually work for you, workouts that you actually enjoy and look forward to, because that is what's gonna keep you going. For beginners, I recommend starting with at least 3 to 4 exercises a week. So that can be the gym, Pilates, whatever is like your vibe. You're gonna wanna combine strength training and cardio. So the strength training is going to help you build muscle and burn fat. And your cardio is going to boost your endurance and burn more calories. Now, if you're new to weightlifting, start light and just work your way up. Progressive overload is key. And that's what's really gonna help you achieve your goals and like hit these new, levels in your fitness game. It's all about building confidence and avoiding burnout. And if the gym isn't your thing, that's okay. There's home workouts. YouTube literally is filled with so much free content, so many free workouts. Like, you can have a whole routine on YouTube in your house with the mat. Do what you gotta do. Dance classes, Pilates. You guys know I'm obsessed with solid core. I love solid core. And honestly, your daily walks are really like the best option for you. If you can focus on getting your 10K steps in a day, I'm telling you, game changer. When I hit a plateau, I was like, what the heck am I gonna do? As soon as I started prioritizing 10K steps a day, 10,000 steps a day, weight just flew off, fat was just gone. Honestly, overall, just moving your body in a way that you love is really gonna help you stay consistent. Step 3, nourish your body, don't starve it. Now, let's get into nutrition. You cannot out-train a bad diet. How many times have we heard that? It's so freaking true. It's literally like, it's literally so true. But you also don't need to starve yourself or cut out certain food groups to see progress. The key is balance. Focus on whole nutrient-based foods, high protein, lean protein, complex carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of veggies. These foods fuel your body, keeping you feeling full, and they help you recover from your workouts. That being said, don't be afraid to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. Moderation is key. One slice of pizza or a piece of chocolate cake is not gonna like ruin your progress. In fact, allowing yourself occasional indulgences will help this like journey and new lifestyle be more sustainable. And a little tip, pro tip, start meal planning, start meal prepping. Now, I don't say like you have to make every single meal for the day of the week like on a Sunday and like have all these different containers. I'm not really saying that. But like just get in your mind like an idea. Like I eat the same breakfast every day because I like it. Just like find meals that are quick and easy for you that you know that you can just whip up. Now, if you like to take your time in the kitchen, do your thing. But honestly, like if you're someone who typically like DoorDashes food, Uber Eats, and just like always just rather order out because you don't feel like cooking, no babes, you need to just find quick, simple meals that you actually enjoy, and it'll just make the whole process easier. And just like overall, having healthy meals ready to go will just eliminate you running to your phone to order DoorDash, Uber Eats, all the things. And even making sure you have like some healthier snack options. That way when you are feeling snacky, you're not grabbing like the whole bag of chips. You know, like let's just be for real. Step Step 4, prioritize sleep and recovery. Now, this step is often overlooked, but it's so important. Sleep and recovery. And honestly, as I'm speaking to you guys, it's something that I want to really focus on in 2025 for myself to get better at, as far as like my sleeping, because my sleeping habits are just not good. They can be better. They're not like horrible, they've been worse, but like I want to really like make that a priority. So I'm doing it with y'all. If you're not getting enough rest, your body can't recover from workouts. Like there's no way it can like reset itself if you're just like always on go. You have to get your sleep, you have to rest. And if your like sleep and rest schedule is not, you know, in check, your energy to keep up with your routine is just gonna slack. You're gonna feel too tired to keep going. So that's why it's so important to prioritize your sleep and recovery. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna aim for 7 to 9 hours a night, okay? 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. And don't forget about active recovery. So take your rest days seriously. Stretch, walk, foam roll, let your muscles repair. And I say walk because that's obviously like movement, but it's such an easy, like low impact exercise that you can do to keep your body like afloat, you know, but still like you're not like running a marathon, you know? But honestly, on your rest days, this is where the magic happens. This is where you're able to allow your body to do its thing and give you the new sculpted look. Step 5, build a support system. You do not have to do this alone. Having a support system can make all the difference. It is like, it feels so good to be able to just talk to someone and share like your wins, how you're feeling, like, oh my gosh, like I don't feel good today, or you're feeling like, oh my gosh, I felt strong today. It's so nice to be able to share that with someone, whether it's a workout buddy, a fitness coach, mentor, me, an online community. I even say like keep your followers on your Instagram story like updated with your workout progress. You'll be surprised at how many people like actually pay attention and be like, oh my gosh, like I'm rooting for you. It's so nice to see your progress. Like, it's really cool. Honestly, you just want to find people who are going to cheer you on and keep you motivated and excited, hold you accountable, and celebrate your wins. You deserve it. I'm already excited for you. You get the trophy right now. Hold on, boo-boo. And if you're ever feeling discouraged, remember that you are your biggest cheerleader. Be kind to yourself and remind yourself why you even started this journey. Mommy's talking, look.
Where Mama couch?
Okay.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Go draw Mommy a picture. Step number 6, which is probably my favorite step, track your progress. So like honestly, TBH, what I truly believe, tracking your progress is the key to staying motivated. Take pictures, take videos, journal, keep track of your workouts, just keep some sort of log, any proof that you can just look at each week to show yourself that you're making changes each and every week. Get MyFitnessPal or whatever, track your meals in an app. But just don't focus just on the scale. Celebrate your non-scale victories too. Like lifting heavier weights, running faster, finishing your mouth quicker, wearing those clothes that you never thought you would pick up again, that dress that you've been eyeing, ordering the new clothes that you're just like, oh my gosh, I've always dreamed of wearing this. Just boosting your confidence and feeling more confident and comfortable in your skin. It's like the best feeling ever. Progress isn't always linear, but every step forward matters. Last but definitely not least, stay consistent and patient. Stay patient with yourself. Transformations don't happen overnight. 2025 is your year, but it's also a whole year. Give yourself time to make steady, lasting progress. The key is consistency. Even if you miss a workout or you have a bad eating day, don't let it derail you. Let it go. Pick up, wake up, and get started again. It's a new day. There you have it, your blueprint for achieving your dream body in 2025. It's not about crash diets or punishing workouts. It's about creating a lifestyle that makes you feel confident, strong, and happy. I believe in you, and I know you've got this, girl. Let me know in the comments what your fitness goals are for 2025 and which step you're excited to tackle first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I freaking love you. I'm so happy that you're here. Stick around if you want more tips and motivation. I truly love you, and I'm so excited for this journey for you. You got this, boo. And as always, I'll see you soon in my next video. Love you.
Love you.